Still tracking rent and expenses manually? Digging through spreadsheets and stacks of receipts? Wasting hours every month? Stop the chaos. Tenant Management Suite makes it effortless. Tired of switching between files just to find one payment or expense? With Tenant Management Suite, everything is in one place. Simplify everything with Tenant Management Suite, a complete property management solution. Manually writing receipts? That's outdated. Easily log rent and expenses, then generate a professional receipt instantly. Keeping up with maintenance requests and tasks shouldn't be a hassle. Track requests, expenses, and work hours all in one place. Security deposits shouldn't be a headache. Now, create a one-click itemized deduction list, print and/or save a PDF record. Stop the guesswork. Get a clear overview of everything with the real-time dashboard. Need multiple users? Set permissions and control access, perfect for teams. Your data stays with you, store it locally or use a shared network drive. Why deal with subscriptions? Make a one-time purchase and use the software without monthly fees. Save time, reduce stress, and stay on top of everything. Try it free for 2 weeks. Need more time? Email Cross Technologies before your trial ends for an extra 2 weeks, free. No subscriptions. No hassle. Just simple, powerful property management. Don't keep struggling with manual tracking. Try it free today, you won't want to go back. Sold exclusively on Gumroad.